In this video, I will guide you on how to fix camera not working on Google Meet. First of all, open Google Meet in your browser. If you see a camera error message, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Now open Settings. Here you want to search Site Settings on the search bar. Now click on it. Here scroll down and find the option of Google Meet. Select that. Now you should be able to find the camera permission here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you want to set the camera permission to allow. Once you have done that, close the settings tab, then return to your Google Meet tab and refresh the page. Now turn on your camera and it should start working normally. If the issue continues, make sure no other app is using the camera. Restart your browser or restart your computer and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.